Hello friends, welcome to my channel Conceptual Learning with Trishna. Today we are going to do an activity in which we are going to test the solubility of some substances. Some water, sugar, soil, some milk, some oil. In our solution, the solvent is going to be liquid and the solute is going to be solid. So in our first solution, we are going to take sugar and water. Then we will add water in a glass. Then we will add our sugar in the glass. We will stir it for a while. See friends, the sugar has disappeared, means it is dissolved in water. So we conclude that sugar is soluble in water and therefore this solution is a homogeneous solution. For our next solution, we will take soil and water. Then we will again add some water in our glass and then we will add our soil in it like this. We will give it a little stir. See friends, after some time also, this soil is not dissolved in water. See, it is coming in the spoon. So we conclude that soil is not dissolved in water and therefore this mixture is a heterogeneous mixture. Friends, you must be aware of miscible and immiscible liquids. Liquids which dissolve in each other and do not form a separate layer are called miscible liquids, and liquids which do not dissolve in each other and form a separate layer are called immiscible liquids. So, in our all the next solutions, the solvent and solute both are going to be liquid only. In our next solution, there will be water and milk. In our glass, we will add some water again. And this time we are going to add some milk to it. See friends, the milk is dissolved in water and thus we conclude that these are miscible liquids. See friends, the milk is dissolved in water. See, the water has become white, means the milk has dissolved in water. In our next solution, there will be water and oil. So we will take our glass and add water to it. And now we are going to add our oil. See, the oil has formed a separate layer. The layer is above the water layer. See, this is the layer of oil and this is the layer of water. As the two components had made a separate layer, so we will conclude that they are immiscible liquids. Friends, I hope that you like this fun activity. We will meet again soon. Bye.